This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Well, we're back home. Let's take a look at the result. So the G6 Performance 2025 model was actually slightly slower than the all here. So in the all, I managed to clock it in at 4 seconds. This time was only 4.2. So, I mean, why was it slower? Well, if you look here, it weighs 110 kilograms more, whereas the power has increased slightly. So that could be the reason. I even used that launch mode. So yeah, but how does this compare to similar price cars? Well, down here you have the EL6. That is slower. I mean, we're still talking about below 5 second time here, so it's still quite fast. But just to show you the differences. And then Model Y long range. I haven't tested the Juniper actually. This was a kind of old result, but 4.8 seconds. So yeah, that's not very fast, right? And then we have the MG6, but maybe they didn't focus too much on the performance part because it has only 362 horsepower. So that's 5 seconds. And then here, Skoda Enyaq Coupe RS. Yeah, the RS was the beefy version. Well, over 5 seconds, huh? But also only 340 horsepower, so not that much. So that's probably why, and also kind of heavy. And then down here, well, I don't know, but I'm going to show you further up the list. I mean, this is the all-wheel drive is the performance. They don't have like a long-range all-wheel drive and then a performance version. So if you compare it to, let's say, Tesla Model Y Performance Juniper, then okay, it's 3.8 seconds roughly. So then actually Juniper performance is a lot faster than the G6. So if performance matters, maybe then you should consider Tesla. But then just in comparison, also the smart hashtag 5 Brabus, trying to find similar price cars and also similar segment. These cars, they tend to have actually a lot more. Dude, is this really 2.5 tons? What the heck, man? What did they put in there? Steel? And then EV6 GT, that's actually the fastest in this comparison, 585 horsepower. Yeah, so but okay, maybe not too important how fast they are, as long as they're faster than 5 seconds, right? Noise, okay, important, noise. Here, G6 almost matches the Model Y Juniper, except for the Juniper was run on a wet road. So in general, what I've seen is that if it's dry versus wet, it's around 0.5 decibel difference. So Model Y Juniper, if it was dry, should be around here somewhere, actually at the very top. I noticed that the Juniper was nice and quiet. But versus the old version, you see, here's the old, and they just happen to have the exact same tires, the exact same dimension. But it was better in the new. So it's 66.16 versus 65, 0.7 decibel difference. They have done some improvement in the suspension. I don't know if they did other things. Yeah, supposedly the front windscreen now is acoustic glass. So those things probably matters. That makes the noise level better. And also when I drive over bumps, the new G6 now feels, sounds and feels more premium. It also doesn't, when the ride, you know, the driving feel feels better than the old. The old felt kind of hollow. I remember when I compared against the C-Line 7, the C-Line 7 felt and sounded way more premium. But now the G6 Performance now sounds way better, way better than before. Let me show you other cars in Skoda Enyaq Coupe, but you know, 20-inch wheel. Wait, 20 inch? Didn't we also have 20-inch wheels? Yeah, we did. Okay, 45 profile versus. Yeah, 45. Okay. So Skoda Enyaq, actually kind of noisy. That's okay. Kia EV6 also. And then, I don't know, yeah, the other cars, they were tested on winter tires, so it's not comparable. But just to show you that now, suddenly, the G6 is at the very top here. Place number 20, okay, not including header. Place number 25, right? Right below there. So, versus before when it was kind of, was still okay. So, okay, anyway. Yes, nice improvements over the new 2025 model. So maybe before you were not convinced that it wasn't that great. Go try the new one. You will be surprised how nice it is. Even I was blown away when I drove this. Like, dude, this is so much better. The interior looks nicer. It feels nicer. It feels more premium. Looks more premium. You know, go check it out. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.